Look at that big winged wave looking thing right there. Here comes the birds. Look, watch this. It doesn't matter where I go. They always come by me. Fly by. Do a flyby. Oh my God! Did you see that? They just flew by the window. Wow, dude. That's what I'm saying. All right. In this book I read recently, it's called The Lone Samurai, and it's like it's about Musashi, and it basically was saying that there was this guy who they used to just stand for long periods of time, and like they would just look at one thing and concentrate. And supposedly when you get good at this, you can actually call the birds in. And so by me concentrating on getting the video and watching the clouds at the same time, I'm using a lot of concentration. And I think maybe the birds are attracted to it, because they also show up, you know, when I'm trying to frickin' do kung fu, come to laugh at me and clap, you know. And then there was this time I was with my niece, and I didn't even see it until I went back and looked at it, but it literally looks like a bird flew out of my frickin' sleeve. No joke, crazy.